Alright, today is officially the day I'm gonna shift. Let's go and put some stuff in the car. I know one shot and I can't do everything, but I'll have to keep doing all these rounds. For now, I'm planning to take all the major stuff that I need, and like I told you before, one by one, whenever I come here, I'll pick that stuff and go. One major thing I have to take is the mattress. We did not buy a new mattress because the mattress that I used to sleep here, that mattress we are very used to, and to buy that mattress is gonna cost me approximately 20,000 to 25,000. So I thought, why not shift it from here? The IKEA bed we are getting, that is also exactly the same size, so all perfect. Only thing I have to do is shift it from here. I thought I'll send it in the Verna because for today's small formality puja that we'll do, mom and dad are coming. I thought I'll put it in the Verna, but it is not fitting in the Verna. Luckily, I think Seltos mein I can adjust it. Looks like shifting is kind of sorted. This is the mattress I'm taking. So used to sleeping on this mattress. Right now I tried to pack it with a rope. I hope it doesn't permanently change its shape like this. I think it shouldn't because when I bought it, it was shipped like this. Not like this, it was rolled properly with vacuum. This is the best I can do. Let's go and crush this inside the Seltos. It perfectly fits and we still got a little bit place. Abhi shoes and basic stuff, I think I can still put it in the Seltos. And the other complicated part is I have to pick up puja in Begumpet. You know, the worst thing that can happen when you're shifting, having too many things on your head. And what's even more worse is having to go for passport on the same day. Oh yes, I told you right, I have to apply for Naisha's passport. Unfortunately, we got the slot exactly today. Shifting had to happen like on 15th or 16th, but that didn't happen because there was some carpenter work going on. That got delayed and it shifted to today. We could actually reschedule the passport, but we decided not to do that. Let's get it done because our international trip is coming soon. Around 2nd week of December we're planning. So Pooja will be coming from her mom's place and I'll be picking her up in Begumpet and go to passport office, get Naisha's passport done, and from there we'll have to go to the new apartment, drop Pooja and Naisha there. Mom and dad will be coming and from there I'll go to Pooja's mom's place and pick them up and some more stuff that we left in Pooja's place there. Today is definitely going to be one of those most hectic days. Hopefully I'll be able to stand by the end of this video on 2 legs. Welcome to the Verna. This was my cute little car before. Nowadays I don't drive it. Oh my god. This sits so low now. After sitting in the Seltos all this time, this really feels, it sits so low and oh my god. Feels so relaxed. But oh yes, looking at all of this equipment here, it looks already old. A smaller LCD display, that kind of display over there. Seltos is everything digital, completely digital. It doesn't have any analog meters like this. And oh yes, 22,160 kilometers done in this car, which is not really great because it's almost I think 4 years now. But oh yes, definitely I would like to drive this car someday. And I'll show you the dicky in this. We full on filled it with junk. See that? A lot of IKEA stuff and taking my chicken grill important. Chalo, for now we are sorted. Rest of the stuff maybe later I'll take it. Finally, the sun is out. Feels bright, feels happy, feels fresh. So let's go have some lunch. You know, I just discovered one really good feature of this car. Right now you can see behind me there is this mattress and I can't see what's coming behind me. But then luckily the Seltos is loaded with cameras. When I switch on the rear camera, see that? Fancy, you know. I'm getting a proper wide angle view of the rear of what's coming behind me. Not very accurate, but at least I can judge what's happening behind me. Look who's here! We are at Chutney's. We came here for lunch.
Yeah, and she just threw up. Tell them what happened.
She just threw up.
In the cab.
Pooja had a very tough time. She had to come in the cab. You know the scene, right? You know. Now what do you do?
Today, a lot of rounds I had to go cab.
Pooja will narrate her own experience.
Later, but I just want to breathe for 5 minutes.
She had a very tough time coming in the cab from High Tech City till here.
Because Naisha was very difficult.
Forget about all that. Today is your big day. How do you feel?
It's not more about, of course it'll be sad.
Can you move your mask? No one is around.
We are excited, but at the same time, I mean, it's going to be a different experience, but we're looking forward to it. I think we always wanted to be independent, and so it's more about that. It's not about leaving parents or leaving in-laws.
Where are we going? We're like 25 kilometers away.
Yeah. So and I think it's going to be a different experience more than anything, and we should also do it. We're old enough to handle things independently now, so we want to just try it out. I'm sure we'll be able to do it.
Oh yes.
Because Shima and I both.
For both of us, it's the first time.
Yeah, and it's the first time. So.
For now, we are here at Chutney's. What are you having?
I'll see idli.
Naisha, what are you having? You want idli? You want idli? इसके बाद the tough part is we have to go to passport office. We booked everything for the first month of December, a secret place we're going. Of course, I'll reveal it before going, but then we realized that passport nahi hai iska. So today we're gonna do that. 3 o'clock is the appointment. Right now it's 1:10. Everything is sorted, Naisha? Sorted? Okay, she's busy playing with forks and spoons.
I'll have a rava dosa.
After the passport office, it almost took us what? We thought it'll be done in like 30 minutes. It took us 2 hours. They needed a photo of this Choto, and for that photo I had to run around. Finally we're done.
And Choto is like this.
Choto is like sleepy. Anyways, we finally entered the new apartments. Security check is like Z category here. I'll see you guys later. We need to put all this. What do I say? I'm out of words. Too tired today actually. Expected. Thanks for the lighting.
You're welcome. I'm like your assistant.
You're like my assistant, huh? Okay, good.
Yes. Half the time I help you with stuff. So my
Head
assistant.
started aching. We need some nice coffee.
Yeah, we do. But abhi chalo, we have to get our parents and get some
Round
saman.
number 1. That's what you wanted to say, right?
Yes.
See, words are also not coming.
Round
number
one.
1. We have to do a couple of rounds today.
Tomorrow also is true.
Abhi next couple of weeks. No, months. Sorry, days.
Months?
For the next couple of days, we'll have to keep doing these rounds. And we are planning to stay back tonight here. We don't have beds and all that. They came, but IKEA people need to fix them. That is going to happen tomorrow. So today we just got one mattress, right? We put it. Abhi dekho khali ho gaya. So we put it up. Maybe me and Pooja and Naisha might stay back today. Let's see. Now let's go get your parents.
You and my saman also.
Tell her that I
The owner of this house. Hi, Mama.
Wait. First entry.
Bleeding.
కుడి కాలు లోపల పెట్టాను నేను ఏ కాలు పెట్టానో తెలియదు కానీ a little bit of puja also done. Actually, you're exploring. You're exploring.
Incomplete in the bathroom.
Amen. Anyways, we'll give a proper tour later. Because no, I'm not showing anything. Because a lot of stuff needs to be assembled. All this. This is IKEA stuff. We just got one mattress and all that. A proper tour later.
Okay, I'm putting.
Yeah, put.
Mamu, tokkakoodu. Jinja.
Dosa, chapati.
Dosa, chapati.
On. That's called. Hindi mein what is it called?
दूध उबालना.
Huh?
दूध उबालते हैं.
ఇప్పుడు ఆనే చూడు నేను అప్పటికన్నా సౌండ్ వస్తుందని అందుకే గ్యాస్ స్టవ్ బెస్ట్ చేసేవాళ్ళం కదా
We are trying to figure out the induction stove because we don't have the proper gas connection yet. We need to fix it here. I think tomorrow we'll get it done. For now, we have to live with this. But we don't know how to use it.
Oh wow!
कौन सा डायरेक्शन में जाना देखो
next you'll buy house or not will know
103 months में you can buy
3 months
That's too early, Dad.
रे
What about 2 months तो पैसे ही नहीं मिलेंगे मुझे हमें sabbatical
I'm
leave.
ready.
ऐसा सब कुछ होता है हो सकता है everything is possible
Mama, Mama. Adit, wait, 1 minute.
milk
Okay, so what should happen now?
milk
Really, the milk should overflow.
east side over
2-3 minutes.
नया घर का वो वो देख रहे हैं कितना उबाल रहेगा देख रहे हैं
ఓకే అయినా వస్తుంది గప్పు
मानते हैं वो मानते हैं
अब एक नहीं हुआ ना अभी
नहीं अभी हो रहा है देखिए
So they are saying you need to see which direction it flows.
yes
अच्छा ये भी होता है
But that depends on the slope, right?
That's for you and me not for them
nothing like that
depends on
It's coming, it's coming.
depends on God
all sides all sides
all sides full wow
So it came all sides, which means?
हर कोई भी जगह में हम ले लेंगे सब जगह ले लेंगे
तो कहीं भी ले सकते हैं, दुनिया की
Oh, so it seems if it goes on the right, we'll buy property on the right side. If it goes on the left, we buy property on the left, it seems. Now it went on all the directions, which means we're gonna buy everywhere.
That's the best part of it.
We can't show the view much. I can just show the sky now from the 15th floor.
Get some up. Are you good?
Chalo, puja, everything is done. Mom and dad are leaving now. Leaving us solo for the first time in the last 20 plus
Hey,
years.
stop being emotional, okay?
Not emotional.
Tomorrow also.
Just saying
I'll
it.
do it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll put my chocolate.
Get oil tomorrow. Okay,
So,
Nana, bye.
Bye bye.
Keys लेना चाहिए.
Puja, bye.
Bye.
Good luck.
Thank you. इसका keys लेना baby. Say hi. At least say hi.
Okay, first subscriber I met here, and that's him.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Harshad.
He kind of stalked me here.
No, I just saw.
He stalked me right from Bangalore. Anyways, we have a new friend here.
Inaugurating a new house, man.
Yeah.
That's very sweet.
First subscriber to come to a new house. You know what? The mazza is gonna start now.
I'm already liking it. I love doing stuff on my own.
Now you're gonna have fun. Sriman, you will have fun more. Sriman and Pooja, both of you will have more fun. You know why? We need to do all these things on our own.
Yeah, that's
Pehle-
I did it before. It's his first time.
Me first time, like I used to eat. ऐसा कहा के Dad throw this, Mom throw this, Pooja throw that. Abhi I need to sort where to put all this. Responsibilities now from now onwards, from today onwards, responsibilities are gonna start. All this is IKEA stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna get all this installed. So installation, all that we booked it on Urban Company, right?
Yeah.
IKEA doesn't want to come and install it because there are no slots till 8th December.
Or
It
doesn't
seems.
want to come? Oh my
They want to come, but it's like 8th December. Who's gonna
But
wait till
IKEA
then? See, I can already feel that responsibilities. We have to get the internet connection. That is the major thing. That's the first thing we have to do
That's
tomorrow.
okay.
Yeah, slowly we started putting stuff inside. All that. I mean, I'll do a proper house tour later. But for now, you see all this? Yeah, Pooja arranged that, it seems.
No, I put one more. It's not done yet.
Okay, I think I'll end the vlog here. Too much ho gaya today running around. Oh, I still have some work to do. And we have some nice sit out here. Tomorrow I'll show you all this, like properly. The balcony and all that. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe.
हो गया.
Oh, she doesn't know. Oh, I need to show something. Today we don't have the bed yet. So that is the bed which needs to get installed. I mean, there are a few parts here. There are a few parts here as well. For now, I just got the mattress, right? This is the reason we got the mattress. So that we can sleep here tonight. Because it is a custom, it seems we need to sleep the day you do the puja. It's good if you sleep on the same day. So me and Pooja are sleeping here today. We sent Naisha with Pooja's mom and dad. She's gonna be there. She's already asleep. Tomorrow morning we'll go and get her again because this place is not really comfortable right now without the beds. And Naisha is used to full on comfort. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. And one more thing. We have to fulfill this place. This looks empty, right? We need a TV there. We'll do all that next. Definitely pretty excited to do all these things. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.